have to study the different world of the flower. For that, the material required are, and I have taken a hibiscus flower. Then we need a needle, forceps, watch glass, and a petri plate. These are the requirements which are needed for the dissection of this hibiscus flower. And we all know that in flower there are four main whorls are present. The first is calyx, or you can say sepal. The second is petals. The third one is male reproductive part or androecium, and fourth is female reproductive part, or you can say pistil. Now one by one we are going to see each and every whorl of flower. Children, this is the peduncle to which flower is attached to the stem. It is green in color. Now I am inverting the flower. And you are able to saw a green color leafy structure. This one. This is a green color leafy structure which is present, and this is sepals. The single word, that if I am taking out the single green leaf from here, this one, the single is known as sepal. But if we are taking out all these green leaf together, then they is all together called as calyx. So this is the first outermost whorl of a flower. The single is known as sepal, and I have taken out all the green leaf, so it all together are known as calyx. Flower. The second part of a flower, that is petal. Now in this flower you are seeing that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 petals are there, which are brightly colored. So group of the single is known as petal. If we talk about all the 5 together, then they are called as corolla. Single is petal and all the 5 are called as corolla. Now I am taking out all the petals one by one. Now I have taken out all the petals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the petals are here. Single is called petal, and if we are taking all the 5, then they are called as corolla. Now these are two non-essential whorls of a flower, because they does not participate in reproduction. Now the next two whorls of a flower is your male reproductive part, that is also called stamen or androecium. Now here you are seeing this red thread-like structure and a yellow ball-like structure above. So these all are stamens. Inside these stamens there was a pollen. There is a pollen grain. So if I am taking out one single stamen, now you are able to see a red color part, that is a thread like, it is a filament, and a upper part that is yellow in color, and that is your anther. And inside this anther pollen grain are formed. Now children, see the third word, that is stamen. This is anther and this is filament. This is anther and this is filament. And this is the third whorl of a flower. Now we'll talk about the last whorl, that is the fourth whorl of a flower. Now, and that is the pistil. And you all know that pistil is also known as gynoecium and it has three parts. The first part, in this you are able to see, this is the stigma. And in this stigma here, you can able to see a pollen grain also, which is a stick to it. Okay, this is yellow color pollen grain, which is present on stigma. Now, for fertilization. Okay, children. Now we have to take out the style, and style here is covered with this red covering. So we have to take the needle and we have to dissect or open this upper cover of the flower. Now children, after dissection, I have taken out this style, this white color tube like. This is style. This is stigma. See, this is stigma. This is style, and the swollen part is ovary. So this, all the three structure together forms a female reproductive part. Now I am keeping it here so that you are able to see it clearly. This is your stigma, this is style, and the swollen part is ovary. Now children, I have removed the style and stigma. Now the ovary is only present. This is the swollen part, that is the ovary. Now inside this ovary, ovule are present, and for that we have to dissect the ovary. So with the help of needle, we'll slowly and very carefully dissect the ovary. Now children, see, there's a white grain or bead-like structure. These are ovule, which are present inside ovary. Now children, these are the whorl of a flower. First is calyx, these are corolla, stamen, this is pistil, that is stigma, style and ovary, and ovary with ovule. Now we are going to summarize it with the help of diagram. Sepals, these are green color structure, and it is the outermost whorl of a flower. It protects the flower during bud stage, or at the bud stage. The sepal will protect the flower. The second one and a group of sepal is called calyx. Now the second one is petal, which is brightly colored, and its function is to attract the insect for the purpose of pollination. And a group of petal is called corolla. These two whorls are non-essential whorls because they does not participate in reproduction. Now the third whorl is male reproductive part, and that is stamen. It is also known as androecium, and it consists of two parts. One is filament, a thread-like structure, and an anther, which is bilobed, means two lobes is present in it. And inside these lobes, anther sac is present in which pollen grain formation takes place. And this is male reproductive part of a flower. Now the last and innermost whorl of a flower is pistil. It is also known as gynoecium. It is the female reproductive part of a flower and it consists of three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Inside ovary, ovule is present. So these are the four main whorls of